How much easier would it be to have full control of your audio while streaming, such as your game volume, your music, your chat sounds, your microphone? That can all be done within OBS. Let's jump into it. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Adam, otherwise known as Bam Banana Man, and in this video we're going to go over how to separate audio inputs within OBS. So if that type of content interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because that would be awesome. After everything is up to date and installed with OBS, go ahead and open it up. And to get started, what I would do is create a new scene. This way you can have all your audio inputs specifically in one scene. That makes it easier when you're putting your audio inputs in other, like your gaming scene and stuff like that. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to call it audio inputs. Now, before we add our audio inputs, we're going to head over to the settings, go down to audio, and you'll see desktop audio. Make sure that's disabled and make sure desktop audio 2 is disabled. This will prevent any duplicating of sounds within the stream. Hit OK. Once you've done that, head to the add source button at the bottom. Application audio capture is the one we're going to add. Name this music or whatever you're trying to add. I'm going to add Spotify first. Hit OK. And then when you hit this window button, you'll find Spotify here. Since it's playing music, you'll see in the background. For window match priority, you're going to switch this to match title, otherwise find window of same executable. So that's going to make it so if it's playing a different song, it doesn't stop playing. Hit OK. Now repeat this process until all audio inputs are separated the way you want. And that's basically it. And if you want to take this a step further, I have a video showing you how to mute specific audio channels for your VODs, but not your live stream. So that is right up here. So if you want to check that out, make sure to do so. And if you like this video, make sure to tippity tap that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And bam, see you next time.